Alright, here's another example. This one also has 2 points, and so I want to practice this a little bit more. So y equals, oh my goodness, I messed up. We were doing the point-slope formula, and so the point-slope formula, you have to have a point and you have to have a slope, and again, you don't have a slope. But we have 2 points, and so how can we come up with a slope with 2 points? And the first thing we need to do is use the slope formula, where we go y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Remember, these are our points formulas. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. Alright, so my y2 is a -3. Remember, we have a minus between the two. And my y1 is a -6. Alright, the x value is -4 minus a -3. If you notice, I have 2 minuses, so that gives me a plus. So these two give me a plus. So I should write -3 plus 6, -4 plus 3. Alright, so since you have a -3, and I want to try to get this so it doesn't look so... There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm going to change this so it's a different color. Alright, so this is, the slope is going to be 3 over -1, which means my slope is -3. So we'll put -3 here as my slope. Okay? Now we're going to go back and we're going to use the point-slope form. Remember, the point-slope form means I have to have a point and I have to have a slope. In an earlier video, we talked about that you could have 2 different answers here, but they end up being the same line. And so we're still going to do both of them, so in case you decide you want to do both, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to do both, whichever I'm going to do for both points. But I'm not going to graph it. I'll probably just label the points for both of them. All right, so here we go. We'll do this one in black like we did before, and we'll do this one in like light blue or whatever. All right, so here we go. Let's do this one. So we're going to say y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. All right, so my slope, my y1, we're going to say is -6. This is the one that we're using right here, remember? So that y1 is a -6, so we got to subtract, and then we have a -6. See, that's going to turn to a positive. My slope is -3. My x, and then my x on the same one, we have to use this same black one, is going to be a -3. So when I clean this up, it should be y plus 6, remember it's plus because of 2 negatives, equals -3, and then x, and again I have 2 negatives, which makes it +3. So there's my point-slope formula if I use that first slope, that first point. Let's use the other one now. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. See, it's the same thing. So y minus, and my y1 for my second one is a -3. Then my slope again is still -3. X, and then it's -3. I'm sorry, -4. And now I just clean it up. 2 negatives make a positive. And then I'll put x plus 4. Alright, and so this is my point-slope form for the other one. See how they're different? So now I'm just going to plot them, and then I'm just going to put the dots on there. So the -3 means I go over 3 and go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So put a dot there. And I use rise over run, which means I go down 3. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1. And I can't go any further than that, but I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. And so, and I know I'm not going to draw my line straight on that one, but there it is right there. Now let's see if our -4, 3 is on our point here. -4. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, and there it is right there. It's right on the line right there. Because you go over 4, down 3, and there it is right there.